Mina ndimelana Busheni. Hi, welcome to. So asikhulume ngoMaqele. Izolo it shocked all of us. Like we saw the trailer where Maqele was speaking about the so-called child that Uma Kumalo has, but we were not expecting it this soon, because even when they showed us what is going to happen this week, we just saw a few things. But this one, isigaqa phezu kwesigaqa. That was what Maqele was doing. Usazimamele lo uvela ngenye, usasuzwa lo avele ngenye. The first thing that shocked me is the fact that Umakumalo has a child. Am I shocked? Definitely shocked. But when it comes to the child situation, I'm not shocked as to why Umakela reacted the way she reacted, because I remember in previous season where Umakela, I think it was after she hit 20 years anniversary and there was a clash between yena no. They were clashing. Like izinto bezingasekho right the way they used to be. So I remember they had a meeting and then Mzele was like, I need a new wife because of was ukwandisa umndeni, especially Kumalo. Along those lines. And I remember Ulo Umacele was like, hey, I'm ukukhuluma mina. And then she left, leaving Umayeni Malo and Ngwale on the table when that situation of Umtwana and Umakumalo arised. And from that moment, for me, I felt like there's something to this issue, but they never touched it. Just they left us lying in limbo, like we're like, what's happening? So cool. And then yesterday it so happened ukuthi umamkhulu was so pissed ukuthi yazini ngikhathele ukuthula, ngikhathele ukuba the bigger person every time. I have to keep quiet while abantu bengigibela ikhanda. She was like, not today, darling. Namhlanje ngizokubonisa ukuthi ungubani. And she spoke about the fact ukuthi uMakhumalo apparently has a child. Ukuthi uyaphila noma ushonile noma kwenzakalani, we don't know. She didn't go into much detail about that situation. The only thing that we know is that Uma Kumalo unomntwana with someone who is not umsele. Wow, shocker. I'm so shocked because ufika mncane ngapha umntwana kuningi indaba zakaMakhumalo azipheli, plus naye makakhuluma ngesitori sakhe akuhlangani sometimes. You're like, what? Like there's a lot of missing pieces, and now we're gonna get to a point whereby we are able to connect the dots. Oh, this and this and this. Oh, now it makes sense. Okay, cool. And then she also mentioned the fact ukuthi the reason uMangwabe no Mayeni they don't like Umacele is because they were involving themselves in ndabeni zikaMakhumalo that had to do with their bedroom affairs nomselegu, because it seems like Umakhumalo, since she's unable to conceive, she asked for someone to get intimate with Wamselegu. It seems like that. I'm not sure. But it seems like she wanted someone to be intimate with Wamselegu so that that woman can conceive a child for her. I'm alleging, I'm not saying that's facts, but it seemed like that. I'm not sure. It seemed like this woman was supposed to be intimate with Wamselegu and then fall pregnant, and then the child will be given to Umakumalo. And for me, it would make sense because if we look at the situation, obviously Umselegu comes once in a year. So maybe the woman was gonna fall pregnant and then they're gonna pretend like, oh, that's Makumalo's child. Which for me, I understand where she was coming from if that's what happened for Makumalo. But the fact that they say she did not want surrogates, according to what Makel is saying, if I'm not mistaken, she said um Makumalo did not want the surrogate path. I'm like, why? Because I believe the surrogate path is the safest and is the one that makes you feel good because that's your genes that are there. So when it's someone else, that person as in Tatumtanam, what are you gonna do? Because when there's nothing that's gonna connect you to the child. And then another thing she spoke about is the fact of Umakumalo keeps saying wawuyekisa abantu umsebenzi, forgetting that she came into the family as someone who was not working, and that's what we all know from watching Uthando Nesimbu from season 1 to season 9 or 6, if I'm not mistaken. So I was shocked when she was the one bringing up the Samke work situation. I'm like, not you, my darling, not you. Bakhona abantu abangakhulumayo. Mangwa was the one that was supposed to, speak more on that issue because Umangwabe, obviously, she came there esebenza nurse, but not the nurse that she is. She upgraded herself in the Nselebo homestead, But Umakumalo, for her to speak about umsebenzi nogegis, that was rich coming from her. But I guess Usisi, sometimes we forget, I want you to also you even forget so because now you are eating. Like she forgets everything. Loya mama. And there's the nerve to call Umayeni Dilulu. Like, who is Dilulu la? Masi Beatle, who is the one that is supposed to be called Dilulu? Or it seems like it's you because Ukosha everything. How can she forget that she came into the family engasebenzi? And the sad part is that when Umakele is busy talking about these issues, Usele is just sitting there like as if he doesn't know. Were you not there? And he's like, oh yeah, ngiyakhumbula kushiwo ukuthi because he wants to paint himself as a good person because we are hoping we can get clarity as to what happened with Makumalo's child. But I doubt we will, and I doubt she's gonna do live or a video explaining Nash. That's not her vibe. And in terms of the show, do I see another season coming? Definitely not. After so much has been spoiled, I feel like it's better if they just let Izingane's team become the next Utano team because it's a lot. Like they're exposing each other so much. I get that they are heads, but I feel like there are certain things will lose the world doesn't have to know like too much right now. And I feel like they need to get to a point where they go back to forgiving each other, going back to being the family. Yes, toxicity, drama, yeah, not too much. Like this is a lot. What happened yesterday with Makela was just a lot. It was just uncalled for. It was just what about Umakuman? I don't wish to be in her position right now. I wonder how she is because if it was me, like I wouldn't want to get out because it's a lot. And I believe the reason why she doesn't want to speak about the child's situation could be the reason that maybe the child is no longer alive, or maybe she terminated. Um, I feel like it's a sensitive issue because if it wasn't sensitive, they would have spoken about the child a long time ago. But the fact that she wanted it to be a secret that she has a child, I feel like we should respect that. It's so unfortunate that Umakele has already told the public, but I wish that people don't press too much on that issue and allow her to speak about it when she is ready. Because at the end of the day, that's her story. She needs to own it, and yeah, we should just respect it. And whether Tanuya Pila Pile, we don't know. We should see. And this family can go back to being the family that we used to watch in season 1. People mama said it's kumnandi. Like right now, it's toxic and it's a lot. And yeah.